Bro, I built a complete gaming PC under 1 lakh rupees in 2026, and honestly, the performance blew my mind. First, the CPU. AMD Ryzen 5 9600X. 6 cores, 12 threads, boosts up to 5.4 gigahertz. For gaming in 2026, this thing is an absolute monster. Around 24,000 rupees on Amazon. Solid value. Now the GPU, the most important part. Sapphire RX 7700 XT, 12 GB VRAM. This card handles 1440p gaming at ultra settings without breaking a sweat. Valorant, CS2, GTA 6, everything runs buttery smooth. Pick this up for around 43,000 rupees. Motherboard, MSIB 650M gaming Wi-Fi. DDR5 support, built-in Wi-Fi, PCIe 4.0, everything you need for a future-proof build. Around 12,000 rupees. RAM, 32 GB DDR5 at 6,000 megahertz. No bottlenecks, no lag, pure performance. Just 6,500 rupees. Storage, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. Games load in literally 3 seconds. 5,500 rupees. PSU, MSI 750W Gold fully modular. Clean cables, stable power, no issues. 7,500 rupees. Cabinet, mid-tower ATX with good airflow, keeps everything cool. Just 3,500 rupees. Total, just over 1 lakh rupees, bro. Every single link is in the description. Go build your dream PC right now.